Today I will explain how my profit and loss system works. First I will enter item name. It will be check if it exists in the database or not. If item name is correct, it will show in details. If it's not correct, it won't show in details. Now I will insert quantity. Quantity will also be checked that this much quantity is available in the stock or not. As you can see, the stock of RAM is 78, so if I enter 80, it will show a message quantity is more than stock. So I enter 10. When I will insert quantity, the system automatically calculate the profit and loss, sale amount, purchase amount. When I will insert the profit and loss data is added to the database and stock will be updated. As you can see, ID 10 data has been inserted. And stock is updated also. Thank you.